Hello, guys. Okay, uh, today I want to talk about life. Okay, so most of us, what we want from life, we want to become successful, we want to get rich, we want money, we want a good looking GF, and we want to travel, and most of us just want a good position in our life, which is stable. Okay, and the billionaires and millionaires mindset is that the secret to become is that you just have to get a passion about something, even it's about gaming, it's about reading the stories, or it's about motivating other people's anything. Maybe if you search within yourself in your daily routine what you have done within this week or within the last few months, you'll find something in which you are really good at, which you love to do. Okay, just find a thing which you love to do, which you can do exactly daily, and you will feel happy in that, and you can do it all day without getting tired, without feeling bored. Okay, and look for the ways on the internet how you can convert that thing into a money making method. Just like you can upload that videos if you are interested in gaming, you can just live stream the games on the YouTube or on the apps of that gaming app. They provide a lot of apps for live streaming, and you can simply live stream on the YouTube, and you will get a lot of people who are interested in watching those games. There's a lot of people who are earning passive good income more than you can get through a job, 5 to 9 job, 9 to 5. Okay, so there is something you need to just find the thing which you want to do all day. Even if you want to watch movies, just find the stories in the movies which you can create interesting things about from them. Just try to find out if you are interested in just finding a new girlfriends, if you want to be if you want to be a motivational speaker, if you want to be a gamer, if you want to be a cricketer or a footballer or anything, just find the best things about it and how you can generate income through that. The simplest thing is that you can put those videos on the YouTube. Okay, YouTube is open to all, and just through a little effort you can get a lot of money and a lot of fame through it, and you will get a lot of confidence by making the videos which a lot of people will watch, and they will feel good by listening to you. And you will have a place where you can speak the things which you want to speak, and you want to talk to people. They will comment, they will just tell you about the things which you should have to do and what you should have to improve. So you will get mentors, and you will get the audience which you want to impress, and you will get some new ideas. The first thing in life that what you should have to do is to just start, is just to begin. Once you begin, if you didn't stop that thing too early, if you just be able to continue it for some time, okay, you will start seeing the results, at least minimum results that will at least encourage you to continue those things and to get something out of that. Okay, so everything is not just getting started is just the biggest basic step of that, but it is the most important one. Once you get a start, you have to give some time of your day to that thing. If even if you're making gaming videos, you should have to give a continuous effort in that, a continuous time in that, so you can do it daily, on a daily basis for 1 or 2 years, or even for a month. You have to give that thing 3 to 4 months, and you will start seeing the result in that. But you should have to do it daily. Continuity, continuous doing a simple thing will make you good at it. Okay, even if you're not good at football, even if you're not good at gaming, a continuous practice with a heart to get that thing will help you to achieve a lot of things. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you. And actually, guys, I got